hours of Markets and Money Control. I am Mariam Faruqi, and this is a segment to watch out for everything that matters to your portfolio. Well, the domestic market is back on track, so should we. After all, it's a Monday morning. So while you get ready for work, we here will get you all the updates on markets. On Friday, the market closed on a positive note. Sensex was up by 222 points and Nifty was up by 92 points. What more is in store for us? We'll find out, but first a look at the headlines. On the geopolitical front, Donald Trump has said that North Korea diplomacy has failed. Well, it looks like the market has also shrugged off North Korea threats. On the domestic front, petroleum dealers will go on a nationwide strike on October 13. And as per a report, RBI will stand pat on interest rates for the rest of the fiscal. These are some of the updates. Now let's get chatting with Money Control editor Santosh Nair and find out how the markets will fare today. Hi Santosh, good morning.
Good morning.
So we are looking forward to the earnings season, and a lot of companies are going to come up with their results. So, what is in store for us?
Well, Mariam, if you look at the media reports as well as the reports put out by analysts, it doesn't look to be a very exciting quarter. The pressure on margins is expected to persist. You've had commodity prices firming up during the last quarter, so that will have an impact on profitability. Also, demand is mostly weak, barring a few sectors. No major big surprises expected. Of course, you have the big GST shocker, which is expected to hurt most companies. So all in all, expectations are not running very high. That could only make valuations look even more expensive.
So what a turnaround, but this euphoria, will it continue today?
So, Mariam, once again, it's largely the upbeat mood in global markets that's driving the stock prices back home. Also, if you see, mostly the macro indicators are quite negative. You don't have any big positive triggers in sight. A few positive signals here and there. You had decent car sales. Tata Steel recorded good sales and production number for the first half of this fiscal. Cement prices are beginning to inch up a bit. So some cheer here and there, but largely the picture looks slightly bleak. You don't have the economy in the best of health right now. Foreign funds continue to pull out money. So mainly it's the uptrend in global equity markets that's really been driving here. And of course, you have strong domestic mutual fund inflows also. So again, 20,000 crore worth of net inflows during the month of September. So mutual funds are really on a tear. There's a number of IPOs coming up, every one of them getting a very good response. For today, the mood in global markets is a little subdued, I would say. Asian markets trading mixed, and US equities also on Friday closed on a slightly flattish note. The key thing for the Nifty is that it's made a very strong comeback and managed to close above the 9950 mark on Friday. So that's the positive, and that's something that will be cheering technical analysts.
So how are the markets looking on technical charts?
So it's formed a bullish candle. That's what technical analysts are saying. Now 9880 is being spoken of as a support level. On the higher side, 10,080 is being seen as the immediate resistance level. Volatility index is also indicating to some kind of a positive move. The VIX fell by about 5 percentage points. So that is being seen as a big positive for most technical analysts. But this is not isolated to India. Globally also, volatility has been coming off. In fact, it touched almost a record low on Thursday in the US. So all these factors put together, it looks like the market could probably make a fresh high somewhere in the near future.
So let's tell our viewers, what are the stocks to watch out for?
So good delivery volume seen on Friday in stocks like HCL Tech, Chola Finance, Axis Bank and Cummins India. On the future side, you saw some kind of long build-up in futures of Tata Steel and Marico. Tata Steel saw a fair bit of action, and that the strong sales and production numbers for the first half actually spurred a rally in other steel stocks as well, and the outlook on the sector as a whole is a bit positive for the time being. Coal imports have risen 10% because of the shortage being faced by most power plants because of heavy monsoon. You're seeing short build-up in securities of Strides, Reliance Capital, Power Grid and Cummins. In other stocks in the news, Crompton Greaves is said to be in the race to buy Kenstar from Videocon. Zydus Cadila has got US FDA to market BPH treatment drug. Punjab National Bank has identified about 32 accounts and NPA accounts that it plans to put on the block. These are worth about 1176 crores, so not a big amount there really. JP Associates has approved a debt restructuring program. So these are some of the stocks to keep an eye out for today.
Thank you, Santosh. That's all for now, but for more cues, views and analysis, log on to moneycontrol.com.